Hey guys, so here I am on the farm again. Just walking down this really nice lane. I'm going to have a look at all of the available animals and the beautiful things that roam here. There's a doggo as well. Hi doggo. Stay away though. Hello my little cow friend. How are you? How are you my little cow friend? How are you? Hello. Come here. Hello يا بكرة. كيف الحال؟ Very nice brown spotted cow. Carry on, I'll see you a little later. Covered with fleas, dear. Take care. So here, of course, there's more farms and some open farms as they call it. Interesting. So this area is entirely a poultry farm. It's full of farming and farmers. Hello. See, there's another cow over here. Hello, little one. How are you? Hello. Hello, how are you? How are you? How are you, little fatty? يا رب العالمين بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء هو السميع العليم الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله. Good boy. See you later, little one. في أمان الله. And here along the path there's not firewood. So this is the traditional wood that they actually use here. They still use wood stoves and they cut down trees, utilize everything from the leaf to the bark to the tree to the sap to the fruit to the flowers, and then they use the leftover wood for cooking. So it's a sustainable method of actually utilizing products in Sri Lanka. So there's a nice farm there. Just want to go have a look. So here you go, there's an open farm with bigger chickens over here. Looks like quite a nice farm. All larger chickens, I think ready for the harvest. So yeah, I think it's probably going to be done like in a few days or so. People will come to collect them, then they'll butcher them, and they'll feed them. It'll be distributed in the local markets all over the country. So yeah, there you go. Awesome. So now I'm going to make my hike up to the top of the farm, and oh, there's another one here with roosters. I guess this is for the house. This isn't for sale. This is for the local harvest for their food. Let's go have a look. There you go. Check this out. Whoa. Oh, there's black roosters. This ayam chimani. Very expensive. Very rare also. Wow. Beautiful chicken. Very, very nice. Oh, and they have chicks as well. Nice. Awesome. Something to talk about. Usually, guys, the ayam cemani comes from Indonesia. It's raised over there, and it's an expensive breed of. Chicken, and they do cost a lot. But yeah, interesting species to come across. So that will be our staff quarters, where the staff will stay and do their regular work. Other one's just a warehouse. So yeah, guys, I guess that's it. Tour of Kandy, Sri Lanka chicken farm.